The 7 elements of art are line, shape, color, texture, space, form, and value. They're the tools you use to create art. Art's not just flat pictures, it's stuff you want to touch. Today, we're diving into texture, the art element that makes comics, games, and paintings feel alive. Let's get messy with painting and scratch art. Texture is all about how something looks or feels. Rough, smooth, bumpy, or spiky. In art, it's the magic that makes you want to touch the piece, even if you're not supposed to. Artists use texture to make their work pop, and we're going to see how with 2 awesome mediums, painting and scratch art. Scratch art, you scrape away black to create the texture of the fur. Texture makes you want to reach out and touch it. Texture's got mood. Thick, swirled paint in, a stormy painting feels wild and intense. Scratch art's jagged scratches, they spark energy like a lightning bolt. A painting of a beat-up sneaker looks gritty and real because of texture. It's what makes art hit different. Painting and scratch art are texture playgrounds. Slather paint to make a sunflower feel vibrant and alive. Thick, sandy paint strokes, they scream desert vibes. Texture makes every piece pop. Texture makes art move. A painting's thick strokes make a star feel bold and sharp. Texture isn't just cool to look at, it pulls you in. It can make a painting feel chaotic or calm, or make a scratch art piece feel like it's glowing. It's like the secret sauce that gives art its personality. Grab some paint, mix some colors, or try scratching out a design. Play with texture and make art that feels as awesome as it looks.